Ahoy mateys, it's Dazzlinglatte and welcome to my unboxing from Amazon. Trying really hard. I don't want to show my address or any info or anything, so that's why I was careful when I lifted up the box. Ooh, there's sticky stuff. There's sticky stuff. Okay. So, oh my gosh, it is intact. Okay, everything's intact. You know when you're like really nervous that everything's just gonna go wrong? Ooh, okay. So what should I start with? Okay, first I got some vitamins. Okay, so Diva multivitamin mineral supplement. This is the multivitamin that I'm going to be switching over to. And then this is the vitamin D supplement I'll be switching over to, and it's Diva Vitamin D2. And yeah, these definitely compare very well to the other stuff I was taking. Oh, I threw out one of the bottles. I took the last vitamin this morning from one of the bottles. But yes, and yeah, they're free from any like different food sensitivities. Free of yeast, gluten, wheat, dairy, egg, sugar, salts, shellfish, animal products, or derivatives. So that's nice. But yeah, they're both 90 counts, and I got them both for like around $5 a piece, which is really good deal. And you take like one a day of each. I couldn't believe it that I found that. Next we got black salt. It's the brand Deep Foods. And yeah, I have a recipe. I want to make tofu scramble, and that would be perfect for it. That was $4.54 for this. And then I had about $10 extra money. You know what I got. You know what I got. Halloween's coming up, and I want to play this. I want to play this. I can't wait to be a sassy werewolf. Okay, so. Oh, what else? I kind of want to look at. Okay, these are the tiny tablets. I really want to. I don't know if I should pop this on open, but I kind of want to. I'm going to pop this open tomorrow, anyways. So like, why not take a look at how, it says it's easy to swallow. Give you a little description of what it smells like, you know. Come on. Okay, one thing I like, they seal these up pretty good. Come on. Come on. You know you want to. Come on. There we go. We got it. Popped on up. I'm kind of curious to see what they look like. I'm gonna pull this one out. Ooh! They kind of smell like, I don't know, Sunny Delight and cheese. But it's not like a bad thing. I mean, it smells way better than most vitamins. Okay, that's what they look like. Definitely look a lot easier to swallow than like normal vitamins. I like how they just close on up really nice. And they don't have the child protective caps on them. And I know this is kind of messed up, but that's kind of a plus for me because yeah, I just don't like having to push down and then like, you know, fight with it. That was the thing I had about my previous vitamins, is you have to push down and you pull out, and they were gummy vitamins and they kept getting stuck in the bottom. So anyways, I'm just like using up the rest of those until I go onto these ones. But yeah, this one looks a lot more powerful than the other multivitamin that I was taking. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. I'm excited about all the things that I got. I'm really excited because I've got everything now to make up tofu scramble like I want to. I got a recipe. I found a recipe for like kind of like a like an like like an omelet type thing with tofu, and I kind of want to try that out. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and for now I have to go, but until then, I'm still to you and your pirate crew.